Hello friends, this painting is a continuation of number 269. I know it looks similar, but this is the residual of what was left when I dipped 269. Yeah, so it might look the same, but it's a different painting, and it's very short. It's gonna be about 4 minutes. Our Bible verse of the day comes from Matthew 6:3, and it says, "But when you give to the needy, don't let your left hand know what your right hand is doing." Matthew 6:3. If you liked the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I post new content. And to leave a comment, please let me know how you liked the video. I will see you in the next video. God bless. Bye.